Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited to be back filming you guys, and yes, I really do love a full coverage makeup look. I love that flawless makeup look even with my problematic skin, because as you all can see, I have acne, dark spots, large pores, and today is Hubby's birthday and I'm getting ready for a date night. I know it looks as if I don't have anything on, but I have a very nice beautiful tube dress which I'm gonna show you guys at the end of this video. I have like 3 different kind of date night outfits to share with you guys at the end of this video. So let's just go ahead and get started. So I've been thinking, should we start with the eyes or with the face? You know what, I think I'm probably just gonna start with the eyes. Let's get it out of the way and then I focus on the skin, because you guys know I love me a full coverage makeup. So I'm first gonna apply an eyeshadow primer, and I'm using my Sigma eyeshadow primer base, and this just helps make your eyeshadow last longer and also helps with the longevity. Does this only happen to me? Like whenever I apply eyeshadow primer on my eyelids, like once it's touching my eyeballs, it really tickles. And for today's video, I'm going to be using this new gorgeous palette from L.A Girl, and this one is the Get Feverish palette. And you guys, it has this kind of very pretty browns and nude color. And for today's eye look, I really want to do something really smoky, like brown smoky with maybe a silver color on my lid. And you guys, I'm so excited because I have a brand new package right here. Like I couldn't wait. I already opened it, and you guys, this is the new brushes from, oh, I have the, I think like the pamphlet it comes with, but this is the new brushes from Beauty Crush Cosmetics. You guys, like I'm so excited because if you watched my videos like towards last year, I really raved about these brushes, and this is literally the only brush I use for my face. Like if you noticed, I always use a green foundation brush, a powder brush, contour brush, everything is always Beauty Crush Cosmetics, and for a while they were sold out. So I'm so excited that they are back in stock. Look at this packaging, it's so cute, you guys. I'm so excited. At least I have another set of their brushes. They have the 5 face brushes and the 5 eye brushes. Their foundation brush is huge. I really love the fact that it's densely packed, so it makes it very easy to apply your foundation, buff it in. And I always say that tools are very important whenever you want to achieve a flawless looking skin, because they bring out your whole look. And yeah, this is the foundation brush, this is the powder. They have this one. I always love to use this one to apply my primer, and then they have this one. It can be, you know, used to set your under eye concealer or maybe apply powder all over your face. And then they have the contour brush, and they also have the 5-piece eye brushes. Like look how gorgeous these brushes are. And to think this is, I believe, $12 or $13 for this, and the face brush set is I think $35. Like you can't beat this with a stick. This right here is a deal. So for my transitional shade, I'm going to be using the Beauty Crush Tapered Blend in their 216 brush, and I'll go in with this shadow right here. This kind of I think this is kind of a dark orange color right here, and I will use it to apply on my crease as my transitional shade. Before I go on building eyeshadows, like transitional shades are very necessary because they just help a lot in making sure your other shadows you will apply later blend and just flow flawlessly. And also when you're applying a transitional shade, you want to start with a very nice neutral color, because it just helps kind of dilute the other colors. Look how nicely this brush is applying this shadow. Next, I'm going to switch my brush to the Beauty Crush Soft Precision Crease, which is their 210 brush, and I'll go in with this shadow right here. It's kind of a little bit darker than the first one we applied, and I love this brush because it's very precise. So you just apply it exactly where you want, and then go in with the tapered blending brush to blend it out. You guys, I'm always amazed at the quality of L.A Girl products. Like look how pigmented this eyeshadow palette is. You just have to be careful. If you don't want to apply too much, just use a light hand to pick it up. With the same brush, I'm going to go into this color right here and then concentrate it on my outer V and blend it into my crease. Okay, so I'm thinking of adding a little bit of black to the outer V. So I'm going to go into this black up eyeshadow palette and then pick up this black eyeshadow and just dab it a little bit on my outer V, just to give it a lot more depth. Okay, so this is what we have right here. I'm going to go in with a concealer, and I'm using Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I will use it to clean out my lid. I want to kind of give it a nice cut crease. You guys, it's been ages I touched my Sephora Pantone Universe palette, so I think I'm going to be using this shade right here for today's video. I'm just going to pop this right on my lid, and I'm going to use Beauty Crush 213 soft shader brush. Going back into the same brown eyeshadow we used on the outer V, I'm going to just use it to make sure there are no harsh lines between the lid and the outer V shade. To line my waterline, I'm going to be using Profusion Cosmetics Waterproof Eyeliner Pencil. And then to line my lash line, I'm going to be using the same Profusion Cosmetics, and this one is their long lasting liquid eyeliner. So people are always asking what kind of lashes do I have on, and whenever you see me with a wispy looking lashes, this is it. It's the Salon Perfect 615 lashes, and this one is their cluster tapered full volume lashes. This is like my holy grail. Alright, so we're all done with the eyes. I'm going to move on to my skin, and for prime I'm going to be using my Becca Ever Matte Poreless Priming Perfector. And if you have an oily skin, I would really advise you look for this primer because it helps a lot in controlling oils. So I'm just going to apply it on my T-zone and just the areas where I would normally produce oil, like the sides of my cheek, my T-zone. I'm using Beauty Crush Essential Tapered Foundation brush. I just love to use this brush to apply my primer. If you follow my channel, you know I don't joke with color correcting. Like, I love to color correct my skin, but the only difference is other people are used to using maybe an orange or a green or a peach concealer to color correct their skin, but for me, I prefer using a dark brown concealer. So you all can see I have a lot of dark spots and acne, and yeah, so I always prefer to use a dark brown concealer. I'm going to go into my MAC Pro Conceal and Correct palette and then pick up this dark brown shade right here and just dot it on all the areas where I have dark spots and blemishes. Left for me, I'll just plaster this all over my face because it's like my whole face is covered with acne and dark spots. But what can I do, you guys? I can't kill myself. I use what I'm supposed to use. I see my dermatologist, but yeah, I have to deal with what I have. For foundation, I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty 4 Filter Foundation and L.A Girl Pro Matte Foundation. The Huda Beauty is in cinnamon and L.A Girl is in nutmeg. I love to mix these two together. They just give me the perfect coverage, and also they help a lot with giving me a very nice matte finish. And the L.A Girl is a little bit too dark, so I'm just going to apply like 2 pumps of it. And then for the Huda Beauty, I'm going to apply 2 pumps of it too. I love to use the tail of my brush to mix my foundation. You guys, look how perfect this brush is blending out my foundation. Like, one thing I love about this brush is the fact that it's densely packed, so it doesn't suck up your product. Next, I'm going to contour and highlight, and I'm using Makeup Revolution Concealer in the shade C17 and my Too Faced Multi-Use Cup-Tin Concealer in the shade Butterscotch. Sometimes I just like to use my sponge dry, so I'm going to be using this Beauty Crush sponge. I can't remember the name of this sponge, but you guys, I just love using it to blend out my concealer. It just gets right under my eyes and it does an amazing job, whether wet or dry. To set, I'm using Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'll just use it to set all the places where I applied concealer. I'm going to go back to my L.A Girl palette, and I'll pick up this shade right here and just use it to smoke out my under lash line. And since I didn't apply any wing liner, I'm just going to take it all the way up. After that, I'll apply mascara. I'm using Anastasia bronzer powder in the shade Mahogany to contour. So for blush, I'm using Beauty Treat Matte Blush Palette, and I will just use this shade right here and pop it right on my cheeks. So we're almost done, and the last thing is my lip. I feel like it's been such a long time I used any product from MAC. So I'm going to be going back in time, you guys, when we used to do MAC Red Lip, and I'm going to be using my MAC Cherry Lip Liner to line my lips. Can you all guess the lipstick I'm using today? MAC Ruby Woo, you guys. Like, this right here used to be my favorite red lipstick, but like we have a lot of red lipsticks right now, but I just wanted to show my MAC Ruby Woo some love, so I'm just going to use this and apply all over my lips. Okay, so here we are. My face is all beads, and I'm going to go ahead and put on my outfits. But like I told you guys at the beginning of this video, that I have 3 outfits that will be perfect for a date night, and these 3 outfits are from African Mall. And you guys, you know, I've reviewed few of African Mall's clothing here on my channel, and the first one I have is this one right here, and this is a 2-piece outfit, as you all can see, and it's kind of a lacy material. It comes with kind of a kimono jacket, and it's see-through, so if you're very conscious of people looking at your body, like, you probably have to wear maybe a tight and a camisole, so you know your inside body is not going to be showing. And it also comes with this gorgeous trouser right here, and it comes with kind of an inner lining, as you all can see. The second one I have is a dress, and it's this particular kind of orange dress. It's not like your pure, like, it's not a pure red, it's kind of orange red, you guys, and I absolutely love this particular dress. I don't know why it's trying to come off from my hanger, but as you all can see, it's kind of a very pretty short dress with a long sleeve. And also when it comes to the front of the dress, it's v-neck, so if you want to show some cleavage, it's just a perfect date night dress. Then the next one that I have on right here, this is actually the one I've been wearing ever since we started this video, and it's a gorgeous, beautiful tube dress, as you all can see, and it's, you know, it has a very nice fitting on the body, and then when it comes to the towards the end of the dress, it has kind of a lacy material, a see-through lacy material, which I absolutely love. And one amazing thing I love about African Mall is the fact that their outfits are very affordable, and whenever I'm picking up items from their website, I always like to go a size up. So all these outfits I just showed you guys are all size large, and apart from the 3 red dresses, I also received few items, but I decided to concentrate on the red outfits because this is a date night makeup look. Also from African Mall, I picked up this jacket right here, and this is a gorgeous jacket, you guys. It's not a thick jacket, so this is definitely going to be perfect for the summer or the spring weather, but as you all can see, it's a snake print jacket, and snake print is kind of in season right now, so I decided to pick this up when I saw it on their website. I picked up this gorgeous snake print top right here, and it's just a very like gorgeous top. It's actually a bodysuit, so when you go ahead and put it on, you can go like in between your thighs and just, you know, buckle it, and yeah, it's beautiful, it's form fitting. So last but not least, I also picked up this gorgeous 2-piece outfit right here, and it comes with a trouser and a top. And you guys, what really got me interested in this outfit is the color. I really do love some wine red, you know, color, so I decided to pick this up. I feel like this is going to be perfect for this kind of spring weather. It's not that cold, but it's still cool, so this is just going to be perfect for this weather. And yeah, this is the trouser right here. And yeah, you guys, this is all there is to this video, my loves. Hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'm ready to head out the door. I just probably have to end up wearing one of these outfits for the date night. And yeah, guys, till my next video, I will see you all very, very soon. Please don't forget to hit that like button below, and also hit the subscribe button if you did enjoy, and I will see you all in my next video very, very soon. Bye.